Namaste students, this is JPN Dr. Swati Bugalia. I am an assistant professor in agriculture department at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In this session, we are going to discuss about seed certification, which is the most important part of seed production technology. Introduction. Seed is a basic agriculture input and it is an embryo embedded in the food storage tissues. Seed is also defined as the mature ovules, which consist of an embryonic plant with storage of food and surrounded by a protective seed coat. Seed plays an important role in any technology embedding, and we have to produce pure, quality, resistant, and healthy seeds for production of healthy food to satisfy our needs. Seed is the genetic vehicle of the genetic innovations. What is seed? In a broad sense, we can say that seed is a material which is used for planting or regeneration purpose. Scientifically, seed is a fertilized mature ovule together covered with a seed coat is called seed, or it is an propagating material. In technological point of view, seed is a fertilized ripened ovule consisting of three main parts, namely seed coat and endosperm and embryo, which is due course gives rise to a new plant. It is also referred to propagating material of healthy seedling, tuber, bulb, rhizome, roots, cutting, sets, all type of grafts and vegetative propagating material used for production purpose. What is seed certification? A legally sanctioned system to maintain quality of seed during seed production, post-harvest operations and during distribution of seeds. Seed certification is a quality assurance process. Seeds intended for domestic and international market is controlled and inspected by official source in order to guarantee consisting high quality of consumer. It includes field inspection, seed quality test and pre and post quality check. Seed certification is a voluntary process but labeling is compulsory. Then concepts of seed certification या फिर history of seed certification. Concept of seed certification was originated in Sweden by 20th century by visiting agronomist and plant breeder to the progressive farmers who took seeds from them primarily with the objective of educating them on how to avoid contamination. This initiated field inspection process. In India, the field evaluation of the seed crop and its certification started with the establishment of National Seed Corporation (NSC) in 1963. The Seed Act of 1966 provided the required impetus for the establishment of official seed certification agencies by the states. Maharashtra was the first state to establish an official seed certification agency during 1970 as part of Department of Agriculture. Objectives of seed certification. What are the objectives of seed certification? First is to maintain and make available to the farmers high quality seeds and propagating materials of notified kind and varieties. Second is to ensure the acceptable standard of seed variability, viability, vigor, seed purity and seed health. And the third is to ensure genetic identity and genetic purity of the seed. A well-organized seed certification should help in accomplishing the following three primarily objectives: a systematic increase of superior varieties, second is the identification of new varieties and their rapid increase under appropriate and generally accepted names, and the last is provision for continuous supply of comparable material by careful maintenance. Then aim of the seed certification department: producing high quality seed of the crop variety that are notified by the central and state governments and make them available to the farmers is the prime aim of the seed certification department. Steps involved in the seed certification. First is application for seed production. then registration of sowing report, field inspection, then seed processing, seed sampling and seed analysis. Last is tagging and sealing. First is application for seed production. Any person who wants to take up certified seed production should submit a sowing report in triplicates of the Assistant Director of the Seed Certification to registrar the crop and season. Along with this fee of seed certification, the label of the seed source should be submitted. मीन्स कि उन्होंने जो सीड वो यूज कर रहे हैं उसका सोर्स क्या है, कहाँ से वो सीड लिए गए हैं, उसकी रिपोर्ट भी देना जरूरी है. Separate sowing reports are required for different crop varieties, different classes and different stages. Separate sowing reports are required to be registered for the same crop variety if the seed production fields are separated by more than 50 meters, sowing or planting dates differ by more than 7 days, and if the seed farm area are exceeded from 25 acres. This is the sample form of the sowing reports, which next is registration of sowing report. After receiving the application of the sowing report, the Assistant Director of the Seed Certification scrutinized and registered the seed farm and duly assigned a seed certification number for each sowing report. Next step आती है field inspection. The objective of the field inspection is to check for the factor that many affects the genetic purity and physical health of the seed. Field inspection will be conducted by the seed certification officer to whom the specific seed farm has been allocated. The specific date of inspection and details of the seed farm will be intimated by the seed certification officer through a copy of the sowing report sent to him. Number of field inspection will differ from crop to crop depending upon the growth stage of the crop. Generally, field inspections would be carried out during the following growth stages of the crop: pre-flowering stage, flowering stage, post-flowering and pre-harvesting stage and harvesting time पे. नेक्स्ट इज रिजेक्शन ऑफ द सीड फील्ड कि ऐसी कौन कौन सी वजह है, ऐसे कौन से फैक्टर्स हैं जिसकी वजह से रिजेक्ट भी हो सकता है आपका फार्म. The seed production field which do not conform to the required standard for any of the following factors will be rejected. When the size of the seed farm exceeded the registered size, when there is no cultivation of the crop in the registered seed farm, drying of the seed farm due to water scarcity, inability to carry out the minimum number of the field inspections, losing of the crop in 1/3 of the seed farm, seed crop affected by food or very poor crop management, difference found in the seed farm when compared with the sowing report, or not allowing the seed certification officer to take the count. इन सब कंडीशंस में सीड इंस्पेक्शन आपका जो आपका फील्ड इंस्पेक्शन है वो रिजेक्ट हो सकता है. Then आता है seed sampling and analysis. Seed sample should be sent to the seed testing laboratory for analysis through the Assistant Director of the Seed Certification. Seed lots which meet the prescribed seed standard like purity, free of inert matter, moisture percentage and germination capacity alone will be allotted the certification label. Tagging. Approved seed lot should be tagged with certification tag within 2 months from the date of the receipt of seed analysis report or within 30 days from the date of genetic purity test performed. On receipt of the seed tag, it is verified by the seed certification officer. All the prescribed details are entered in the tag without any omission. Validity period of the seed certificate. The certified tagged seed is verified only for a limited period of time, say 9 months from the date of seed sample testing for all seed crops. If the particular seed lot is not sold out within this period, Revalidation of additional 6 months can be made only if the seed lot meet out necessary seed standards.